Today we're with one of Bradford's Green Street pioneers, Assembly Bradford. We're looking at how you can sell your business without being salesy on social media. As you can see here, Assembly Bradford is a shared workspace with service offices and an assembly hall that's all about making things and meeting people. And they wanted to promote their space, which is here, and what they do on Twitter. However, rather than doing the traditional sales post, aka come and book our space, and what they did was show off their location using multiple images here, but by linking up the context with Bradford's bid for City of Culture 2025, which at the time was a huge topic of conversation. By showing the culture of Bradford next to the multicultural events, aka what they do in-house, it automatically piques your interest and sells the venue and the space without actually telling you to book. So here you can see Bradford should be the next city of culture because it's people that really make the city, and then they're showing all the different people, so it's showing it. And then they say, we love collaborating on all exciting things you can create within our walls and beyond. So that's relating what they do back to a big topic of conversation. Big up Bradford. So by using this campaign and using these hashtags, they automatically get new eyes on their feed straight away. And again, it's people that are actually going to be interested in Bradford and culture. So it's using location to evoke local pride, and then that naturally applies back to them by association. So any business can do this with whatever is going on in their space. Now, one of the things this business might want to do is to go on and look at these hashtags and follow them so that they can start engaging with them and stay ahead of the curve, see what's happening, and then look at what other businesses are doing. So they could go to the Engage tab on Maybe. And then as you can see here, what I've done is I have gone here to the hashtag section within Engage and then Group. I've added in hashtag City of Culture 2025. And then it now says we're now collecting posts for City of Culture 2025. When they are ready, you can view them in your hashtags group. And then you would just go down to your hashtags. And I would type in, so if you're monitoring multiple ones, City of Culture. And then if any posts are under City of Culture 2025, there you go, they'll start coming up. So if I was this business, I would want to be going in and liking, sharing, engaging, and showing, if we're all about multicultural and celebrating Bradford, then what better way of doing it than engaging with all of the businesses that are taking part in Bradford City of Culture 2025. Now, if you've got any questions whatsoever, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.